What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and what I got on deck is the Pixel 7a, and this is probably one of the best tech deals out right now, or probably just the best tech deal period right now. And we also got an update. We got the November update going on, so let's just get into it. Okay guys, so your boy BG Tech Life, I was about that beta life, but I'm not gonna lie to you, the latest betas was a little bit too much for me, where they were kind of having issues and things of that nature. It had a lot of fixes, but it had a lot of issues also. So I just wanted to be on stable Android 14 again. So we back to stable Android 14, and we got the November update. Now the November update itself has a lot of fixes. These are a couple of the fixes from the November update. Fix for occasionally causing a green flash when the display is turning off. I've noticed that. NFC fixes, system fixes, and we got user interface fixes. So if you're not on the November update of Android 14, you should definitely be checking on it, because there are some definite fixes involved, and everybody like the fixes because you want your Pixel run as smooth as possible. Like I said, I've really been liking this little device, and I really feel like this is a budget flagship, one of the best bang for buck devices that you could buy in 2023 period. As far as the cameras, the display looks really good. I will say the display is a little dim. The performance and just all the different assistant stuff that Google has baked into this device. I also feel like it's not a big difference in having a Tensor G2 and a Tensor G3. This was already a great deal in tech. This is already my flagship budget phone, but things are getting even better. Now, we were in the, the Techtober period where a lot of devices come out, but now we entering the holiday phase. Now we entering the Black Friday phase. And the Black Friday price over on the Google store for this Pixel 7a will be $374, which is an insane price for the amount of tech that you getting in this device. I really thought this device was the deal at $444 when it was on sale, but at $374, this is insane. Just a little recap on how I feel about the device. After Android 14, I really feel like this device is more of a performer. It does have last year's flagship processor in there, so it can do some performing, it can do a little bit of gaming. We've shown that. And as far as the cameras go, the 64 megapixel main shooter, you get in 4K 60 frames per second out the rear, and you can even record in 4K from the front facing camera. So just a beast of a camera under $400. Now if you somebody that's looking to pick up an Android device and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, this is definitely the go-to right here. Brand new out the box, under $400. You cannot beat that. I'm sorry guys, I really feel some type of way about this deal. I really feel like it's inclusive. I really feel like this is a decent phone. Like, I feel like the gap between the Pixel 7a and the newer Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro and all that, I feel like it's not that big. The computational photography, once you got one type of sensor, unless you're doing like some telephoto work, you're gonna get great pictures from this device, decent video from this device. That's not going to be too much different from its flagship counterparts. And also the performance on this device, to me it feel like sometimes, even when I had my 7 Pro, the performance felt a little better on this device, because I feel like this display is a 1080 display in this capped at 90 hertz. The most you could turn this display up is 90 hertz, and it's 1080. So I feel like it doesn't task the processor as much. When you're not expecting a whole lot because you spent a decent price, or you spent the budget price and you get a whole lot, is a really good feeling. Now to go out and spend $1,000 on the phone and be wanting to compare it to other $1,000 phones, and it's not adding up and things of that nature, that's when that frustration or that buyer's remorse setting and things like that. This is something that I bought and I've been like, yo, this is really good. And I really liked it when I bought it for $499 flat out. So for $375, and I feel like this device has only got better since Android 14. Is an amazing deal. Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there, guys. It's still running good. I got a fresh Android 14 November update on here. So if you're looking for an Android device, not spending too much money, or you want a secondary device, let's say you're somebody on Team iPhone and you want to enjoy some Pixel goodness, this is definitely a clutch pickup right here. Like, I like to carry a big phone, then I like to have a minimal phone. This is my minimal Android phone right here. 90 hertz is great for scrolling. I'm having a good time with that, and it's just compact, slick, but then at the same time a powerful little shooter when I want to take some good pictures. But it's your man BG Tech Life. This is the Pixel 7a. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.